This is a quick video to broadcast the IELTS speaking course that I am now hosting over on the britishenglishpodcast.com/IELTS. Harry and I worked on this course a year or two ago, and due to many reasons that I won't bore you with, it sat on our hard drives for a bit too long, let's just say. I'm finally going full throttle with it and hosting it on my site and doing bi-weekly IELTS workshops, which is a fancy word for a group class that is focused on a specific thing in an interactive way, I guess. But we were hesitant to put this video on YouTube because we found it so cringe to watch it back after having not seen it for a couple of years. So I might do a reaction video to this next week because I keep wanting to pause the video in the edit and explain why we did what we did at the time. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the trailer to the IELTS speaking course. If you're not planning on taking the test yourself, you'll probably still find this funny to watch. And those who are interested, then the link is in the description box, or just head over to the britishenglishpodcast.com/IELTS, IELTS. Okay, enjoy. All right, let's begin your speaking exam. The first question is, how could your hometown be improved?
Maybe if there were more houses. I think more houses and probably shops as well. There are not many shops in my hometown.
Oh, 3.5, that's so bad.
I need at least a 7. Maybe I do actually need to prepare properly for this exam. But how do I do that?
Well, that's not the first time we've heard that question.
It's not, because we've had hundreds of students who have come to us for one-to-one classes after not getting the result they want, even though they have a really good level of English, but they haven't been able to get a 7 in their IELTS speaking exam.
And this is because either they don't know how to turn a simple question into an extended advanced answer,
or they don't have the advanced vocabulary to get those high scores.
Furthermore, we've noticed that our students and our YouTube audience have been studying for the IELTS speaking part in a really passive way.
That's right, they've been learning really good vocabulary using good resources, but they haven't been able to put that stuff into practice and use it correctly.
Yeah. So this course will get you creating really high scoring IELTS responses after every lecture we give you.
Absolutely. So that when that exam day comes around, you'll be speaking with real confidence, like this. I think there are heaps of things that could be done to better the town centre. The bus station, for example, is really run down and has been in this awful state for decades, so they could give that a makeover. In fact, I'd say they should just knock it down and rebuild it completely. I went there the other week to catch a bus, and I hadn't been there for about 2 years, but I was waiting for my bus and I couldn't even sit down on the benches because they were so filthy and covered in bird poo. It was horrible. So yeah, as this is such a central, important spot in the town, I think this would make a big difference to Bedford, and it's the first thing I would change if I was the mayor. Wow, that was so good, so much better.
It certainly was.
So whatever topic comes up in your IELTS speaking exam, be it work, sport and exercise,
Food?
Food, that's a good one.
Yeah.
You like talking about food, don't you?
That's a bit cheeky.
Whatever topic comes up in your IELTS speaking, you will be prepared to answer it.
That's right, because we're here to help you get that score of 7.0.
Exactly. Or higher.
Yeah, or higher.
Meaning you can take your 7 or higher and you can get into that university of your choice.
Yeah, or even that job that you've been wanting.
Yes, or maybe just acquire a visa to go and live in another country.
Yeah. So, if you're ready, join us in the next video to meet your teachers.
Let's go!